Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going into the world of face serums, but not just any serums. We're talking homemade, all-natural, powerhouse serums that'll give your skin that glow-up you've been dreaming of. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another beauty video? Come on. But trust me, this isn't your run-of-the-mill skincare routine. We're about to unlock the secrets to radiant skin using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. First things first, why should you even bother with face serums? Well, let me tell you, these little bottles of goodness are like a shot of espresso for your face. They're packed with concentrated ingredients that penetrate deep into your skin, targeting specific concerns like fine lines, dark spots, or dryness. And the best part? When you make them yourself, you know exactly what's going into them. No weird chemicals, no fancy marketing gimmicks, just pure, natural ingredients that your skin will love. Alright, let's jump into our first DIY serum recipe. 1. Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This bad boy is all about giving your skin that lit from within glow. Here's what you'll need. A 1/4 cup distilled water. 1 teaspoon vitamin C powder, L-ascorbic acid. 1 teaspoon vegetable glycerin. Mix it all in a dark glass bottle. Light can degrade vitamin C, and voila! You've got yourself a potent brightening serum. Use it in the morning before your moisturizer, and watch those dark spots fade away. But hey, a word of caution. If you've got sensitive skin, start slow. Maybe use it every other day at first, and see how your skin reacts. We're all unique snowflakes, after all. Moving on to our second serum. 2. Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. If your skin's feeling as dry as the Sahara, this one's for you. You'll need 1/2 cup distilled water, 1/4 teaspoon hyaluronic acid powder, a few drops of lavender essential oil, optional for a nice scent. Mix it up, and you've got yourself a super hydrating serum. Hyaluronic acid is like a tall drink of water for your skin. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Pretty impressive, right? Use this serum morning and night on damp skin. It'll help plump up those fine lines and give you that dewy, fresh face look we're all after. Okay, we're halfway there. Still with me? Great! Let's move on to our third serum. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Ding that notification bell too. 3. Anti-Aging Green Tea Serum. Green tea isn't just for drinking, folks. It's packed with antioxidants that can help fight those pesky signs of aging. For this one, you'll need 2 tablespoons green tea, brewed and cooled, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, 1/2 teaspoon vitamin E oil. Mix it all up, and you've got a powerhouse anti-aging serum. The antioxidants in green tea help protect your skin from environmental damage, while aloe and vitamin E soothe and nourish. Use this at night and wake up to smoother, younger-looking skin. Now, on to number 4. 4. Acne-Fighting Tree Serum. If you're battling breakouts, this one's your new secret weapon. Here's what you need. 2 tablespoons jojoba oil, 5 drops of tea tree essential oil, 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix these, and you've got a serum that'll show those pimples who's boss. Tea tree is naturally antibacterial, while lavender helps calm inflammation. And jojoba? It's like a doppelganger for your skin's natural oils, so it won't clog your pores. Use this serum at night, focusing on problem areas. But remember, a little goes a long way with essential oils. And finally, our last serum of the day. 5. Nourishing Rosehip Seed Oil Serum. This one's as simple as it gets, but don't let that fool you. Rosehip seed oil is a skincare superstar. It's rich in vitamins A and C, and it's got fatty acids that help repair and regenerate your skin. All you need is 1 tablespoon rosehip seed oil, 2 drops frankincense essential oil, optional, for extra anti-aging benefits. Mix these, and you've got a deeply nourishing serum that's great for all skin types. Use it at night and wake up to softer, more radiant skin. So there you have it. 5 amazing DIY face serums that'll give your skin the TLC it deserves. Remember, consistency is key with skincare. Don't expect miracles overnight, but stick with it and you'll start seeing results. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended face scrum. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried making your skincare products before? What's your go-to ingredient for glowing skin? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want more DIY beauty tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Ding that notification bell too, so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Bye for now.